Good morning, everyone. For some inexplicable reason, French marathoner in the Olympics decided to knock down all the bottles of water and before grabbing the last one. As you can see in the video, the first, second, and third runners just grab one bottle each and keep moving forward, whereas the fourth one, a runner from France, decided to knock all the bottles down before taking the last one. And you can see the runners behind him try to grasp the falling bottles but fail to get one as they risk losing time just reaching down and grabbing one if it's on the floor. The French marathoner in question is Morhad Amdouni, 33, and he tried to defend himself. This happened in the second half of a 26-mile race in support of Japan, where temperatures were 84 degrees Fahrenheit. He claims it was an accident. He said he had to bend and stretch while running at speed, and he was sandwiched between other runners. He said he was completely exhausted by the heat and humidity and said it was a complete accident. Leave your thoughts below as comments, because I think this was on purpose. Ultimately, this move didn't help him win. He only finished 17th place, far from the podium. Whereas the Kenyan runner Eliud Kipchoge, 36, defended his Olympic marathon title, finishing at 2 hours, 8 minutes, and 38 seconds. Way ahead of the pack. As always, feel free to subscribe, so keep you updated with the current situation. Thanks.